Hello everyone! Now, I'm gonna share with you on how to use Augmented Education, or known as AE. This app is applicable to iOS user only. It contains notes from Science Form 3. First, you need to download the app on the App Store. Then, open the Augmented Education apps. After the app is ready, you can scan the target image. There you are! The notes will appear on your screen and it was ready to use. As you can see, the notes and video of Aurora appeared. You may change the content of the notes by scanning the different image. This app can increase student interest in reading notes. Thanks for watching. Bye!